my gosh, we did it. So we took out this stone, and it's right above the date stone here. And we can see a little bit of writing here. I think it says Hummelstown. Looks like it was just dedicated at that point to the church here, but it is a solid stone and doesn't seem to be any cavity in it. It's just a solid date stone. We were wondering if it would be a time capsule, actually. A lot of them are. Okay, so these are some of the stones and how they were. These are some of the stones that were cracked through, and you can see how bad the cracking was, especially that 2-foot piece right there. Smaller piece, this one right here. This one had been repaired in the past and with a Helifix bar, but it cracked. It continued to crack. So here's the start of this cornerstone that I'm working on here. It's an old piece of brownstone from a foundation, Hummelstown brownstone. I just put a cut in this, cut it right in half. So this is the first cut to shape this stone. And this stone right here is going to go into the wall right there. That stone is split in half. Tomorrow I'll work on putting an offset face on this stone. Also, I will work on the tooth margin on the corner. Here's some of the finished stones that I've cut. It's got a tooth edge margin on it right here. See that? There's another stone, another one. It's going to go on the wall. This one here. And this is what we're doing to recreate these stones. And then we'll be putting them into the wall. These actually have some inclusions in the stone. We may touch that up with a little potassium silicate just to blend those inclusions in. So we finished replacing all the stones that we're planning on replacing here. We're waiting till the mortar takes sufficient set, which this is NHL 5, and it sets pretty darn quick for a lime mortar, that is. Everything is shimmed up with small little slate shims. And so now we're just kind of waiting for things to cure a little bit. Probably give it some time before we start taking our props down.